Have you ever wondered why some people seem to win at life while others struggle endlessly? Why certain individuals rise from ordinary beginnings to extraordinary achievements? It's not luck, it's not talent, it's the daily habits they commit to, whether they feel like it or not. Today, I'm revealing the timeless success principles taught by the legendary Jim Rohn, a mentor to millions and one of the greatest personal development teachers of all time. Stay with me until the end, because what you're about to learn could completely reshape your future if you choose to apply it. 1. The power of personal responsibility. Jim Rohn taught that success begins the moment you accept full responsibility for your life, an idea so simple on the surface yet so profoundly transformative that it becomes the foundation upon which all achievement is built. Personal responsibility means refusing to hand your power to excuses, circumstances, or other people. It means no longer saying, "I can't because of my past," "I can't because of my environment," or "I can't because of what someone else did." Instead, you step fully into the driver's seat of your life and declare with conviction, "If it's going to be, it's up to me." This mindset shift changes everything. The moment you take ownership, you gain the power to change. When you blame others, you surrender that power. Responsibility is not a weight meant to crush you. It is the key that unlocks your ability to grow, improve, and elevate your existence. Jim Rohn often emphasized that while we cannot always control events, we can control our responses to them. That means your attitude, your decisions, your habits, and your actions remain within your domain of influence, no matter what life throws your way. Personal responsibility is the great equalizer. Everyone has access to it, regardless of background or circumstances. Successful people don't wait for conditions to be perfect. They take responsibility for improving their conditions. They understand that complaining changes nothing, blaming improves nothing, and waiting for rescue delays everything. Instead, they look inward and ask empowering questions. What can I do right now? How can I improve this situation? What lesson can I learn? Rohn taught that the moment you stop wishing for an easier life and start wishing for greater skills, you step into adulthood, not chronological adulthood, but emotional maturity. Responsibility adds structure to your life. It gives you clarity because when you accept ownership, you stop scattering your energy on things outside your control. You begin focusing on the small daily choices that shape your destiny. You learn that discipline is your ally, not your enemy. You realize that your future is shaped not by luck, but by the seeds you plant today. Responsibility also brings freedom, the freedom to rewrite your story, the freedom to change direction, the freedom to improve your character and your results. When you finally embrace the truth that your life is 100% your responsibility, you stop being a victim of circumstance and become a creator of outcomes. Jim Rohn believed that every person has the potential for greatness, but only those who take responsibility activate that potential. Blame chains you, responsibility liberates you. The minute you choose ownership, you begin the process of becoming the kind of person capable of achieving extraordinary results. And as Rohn said, the ultimate reward of personal responsibility isn't just success, it's becoming someone you're proud of. 2. The discipline of daily goals. Jim Rohn believed that a person without goals is like a ship without a rudder, moving but drifting, reactive instead of intentional, alive but not truly living. Successful people do not wake up hoping the day will be kind to them. They design the day with precision and purpose. Rohn emphasized the power of writing down your goals constantly, even daily if necessary, because clarity is a force multiplier. When you know exactly what you want, your mind organizes your thoughts, energy, and behavior around the destination. Each morning becomes a chance to align yourself with your vision for the future rather than the distractions of the moment. Goals give you direction, purpose, and momentum. Without goals, you fall into routines of survival. With goals, you step into patterns of growth. Rohn often taught that the magic is not just in having goals, but in the discipline of reviewing them, refining them, and acting on them every single day. This discipline creates consistency, and consistency creates compound results. A goal does not need to be grand to be powerful. Reading 10 pages a day, making 3 meaningful phone calls, practicing a skill for 20 minutes, or reviewing your priorities each night might seem small, but repeated daily, these actions accumulate into transformation. Jim Rohn called this the power of the slight edge, the idea that small, positive actions repeated consistently create extraordinary results, while small neglects repeated consistently also create consequences. Daily goals keep you accountable. They give you something to measure, something to track, and something to celebrate. Most people underestimate how much their life can change in a year and overestimate how much it should change in a week. Goals help bridge that gap by keeping your eyes on the horizon while anchoring your actions in the present. Rohn taught that writing down your goals is like giving your future self instructions. It's a contract with your destiny. It turns dreams into plans and plans into actions. Daily goals also create identity. When you consistently aim at something, you begin to see yourself differently. You become someone who is intentional, disciplined, and committed. The discipline of daily goals is not just about productivity, it's about becoming the kind of person who follows through. Rohn often said, "Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day." Goals create those disciplines. They turn random effort into focused effort and random days into purposeful days. With goals, you take command of your future. You stop drifting and start directing. Every small target hit builds confidence, and every missed target teaches you something. Over time, the discipline of daily goals becomes a lifestyle, and that lifestyle leads to greatness. 3. Continuous learning and weeding the mind. Jim Rohn famously said, "Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune," a statement that captures the essence of lifelong learning as the engine of personal transformation. Rohn taught that your mind is like a garden. Whatever you plant grows, and whatever you neglect decays. A well-tended mind produces wisdom, creativity, opportunities, and solutions, while a neglected mind becomes overrun with weeds such as negativity, gossip, fear, and limiting beliefs. Continuous learning requires intentional cultivation. It means feeding your mind with books that expand your perspective, courses that sharpen your skills, mentors who stretch your thinking, and experiences that push you beyond your comfort zone. 1 hour of learning every day may seem small, but compounded over months and years, it places you ahead of almost everyone around you. Rohn believed that you must stand guard at the door of your mind, defending it from influences that diminish your potential. Just as a gardener removes weeds before planting flowers, you must actively eliminate toxic thoughts, harmful habits, and negative voices, whether they come from your environment or from within yourself. Learning is not passive. It is a deliberate act of self-improvement. Successful people treat knowledge as capital. They invest in it, grow it, and rely on it to make better decisions. Rohn taught that the more you learn, the more you can earn, not just financially, but in wisdom, emotional maturity, interpersonal skill, and personal power. Reading, journaling, listening to meaningful lectures, or engaging with mentors elevates your thinking. And when your thinking elevates, your actions elevate, and your results follow. Continuous learning also builds confidence. The more competent you become, the more courage you gain to face challenges. Learning transforms uncertainty into understanding and fear into strategy. Rohn believed that every major breakthrough begins with new information. A single idea can change your trajectory. A concept from a book, a sentence from a mentor, or a moment of insight gained through reflection. But learning alone is not enough. You must apply what you learn. Knowledge becomes wisdom only when put into practice. A well-weeded mind is a disciplined mind. a mind that chooses what to focus on, what to reject, and what to nurture. Negativity cannot survive in a mind filled with purpose. Gossip cannot thrive in a mind focused on growth. Fear cannot dominate a mind trained to seek solutions. Continuous learning is a lifelong commitment, not a phase. It ensures that no matter where you started, you can always rise. And as Jim Rohn taught, your mind is your most valuable asset. Tend to it daily, protect it fiercely, and it will reward you with a life of abundance, clarity, and extraordinary achievement. 4. Mastering your time. Time is life's greatest currency, and successful people spend it wisely, not casually, not impulsively, and never without a clear intention. They understand that every minute represents an opportunity, either invested or wasted, and that unlike money, time can never be replenished once it is spent. Mastering your time begins with acknowledging its sacredness. When Jim Rohn spoke about time, he emphasized that while we all receive the same 24 hours, the difference in outcomes comes from the choices we make within those hours. Successful individuals treat time with the same seriousness that a business treats financial assets. They plan it, defend it, and allocate it where it yields the greatest return. This means prioritizing what matters most, identifying the activities that align with your deepest goals, and being courageous enough to eliminate tasks that drain your energy or distract you from your purpose. One powerful idea Rohn taught was breaking your day into distinct, meaningful categories: work, personal growth, relationships, and rest. Work represents your contribution to the world, your craft, and your economic engine. Personal growth ensures you never remain the same person year after year. It involves reading, studying, reflecting, and strengthening your mind. Relationships represent the emotional core of your life, the people you love, the connections you nurture, and the bonds that give life meaning. Rest, often undervalued, provides the restoration and clarity needed to sustain high performance. When your day contains all 4 of these pillars, you live a balanced life where achievement coexists with fulfillment. Rohn believed that structure brings freedom. When your time is unstructured, life becomes chaotic and your results become inconsistent. But when your time is organized around clear outcomes, meaningful routines, and non-negotiable commitments, your results become predictable and success becomes a habit instead of a lucky accident. Time mastery also means learning to say no, not out of selfishness, but out of respect for your values and your mission. Every yes has a cost, and successful people guard their attention by avoiding unnecessary obligations, energy-draining conversations, and impulsive commitments. They understand that procrastination is the silent enemy of progress. It disguises itself as harmless delay, but every postponed action builds a wall between you and your goals. By taking immediate, decisive steps, even small ones, you build momentum that compounds over time. Another essential aspect of mastering your time is reviewing how you've spent it. Rohn taught that a life worth living is a life worth recording. When you track your days, you gain insight into your habits and patterns. This awareness helps you refine your schedule and eliminate inefficiencies. Ultimately, mastering your time is about mastering yourself, your focus, your discipline, and your priorities. When you take control of your hours, you take control of your destiny. You shift from being a passive participant in life to being a deliberate creator of your future. And as Rohn so often reminded his students, when your time is structured, your results become predictable, and your life becomes a reflection of intentional action rather than random circumstances. 5. Surround yourself with the right people. Jim Rohn's most famous principle declares, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." And this single truth shapes destinies more powerfully than most people realize. The environment you place yourself in molds your thinking, your habits, your confidence, and even your perception of what is possible. Successful people understand that no one rises in isolation. They rise through association. They intentionally surround themselves with individuals who challenge them, support them, and elevate their standards. When you spend time with people who are ambitious, disciplined, and forward-thinking, you naturally absorb their energy, their ideas, and their behaviors. Conversely, when you surround yourself with negativity, complacency, or narrow thinking, your potential shrinks to match the environment. Rohn often taught that relationships are like elevators. They either lift you up or drag you down. Choosing the right circle begins with evaluating who currently influences your life. Are these people helping you grow or keeping you stagnant? Do they inspire you with their character, work ethic, and vision? Or do they drain your motivation with pessimism, gossip, or excuses? Successful individuals are intentional about cultivating relationships that nourish their aspirations rather than sabotage them. This does not mean abandoning people harshly or cutting everyone out of your life. Rather, it means being wise about who you give the majority of your time, energy, and emotional bandwidth to. Mentors play a crucial role in this process. A mentor is someone who represents your future self, a person who has accomplished what you aspire to achieve. Mentors accelerate your growth by sharing wisdom, offering guidance, and showing you the path ahead. But growth also requires peers, people who walk beside you, share your ambitions, and hold you accountable. Peers can be collaborators, thought partners, or simply friends who encourage you to stay on track. Successful people also learn the importance of boundaries. They understand that toxic influences, no matter how familiar or long-standing, can quietly erode your mindset and confidence. Distance becomes necessary not out of arrogance, but out of self-respect. As Rohn emphasized, your circle affects your standards. If the people around you take shortcuts, settle for mediocrity, or constantly complain, it becomes almost impossible to rise above that environment. But when your circle is filled with individuals who strive for excellence, who maintain integrity, and who pursue growth relentlessly, your standards rise automatically. One of the most empowering truths about Rohn's principle is that you can change your average at any time. You can seek out new associations, join communities, attend events, read books by great thinkers, follow leaders who inspire you, and engage in conversations that stretch your mind. Even if you don't have direct access to high-level individuals, their ideas and energy can still reach you through their teachings. Ultimately, surrounding yourself with the right people is an act of self-creation. You are shaping the forces that shape you. Your mindset, your expectations, your sense of identity, all of these are influenced by the company you keep. And because your destiny is built from your daily decisions, the people who share your days inevitably shape your future. Rohn's principle is both a warning and an invitation. If you want to transform your life, begin by transforming your circle. Choose people who reflect your future, not your past. Choose people who challenge your comfort zones and push you toward excellence. And most importantly, choose relationships that align with the person you are becoming, because your environment is silently sculpting your destiny every single day. Success isn't built in one giant leap, it's built in small, consistent steps repeated daily. Jim Rohn's habits are simple, but their impact is life-changing. Start today. Choose responsibility, set your goals, grow your mind, master your time, and elevate your circle. If you commit to these habits, your future will transform in ways you can't even imagine. Now go create the life you were meant to live.